Okay, good morning children, 9th class, sorry, 10th class student. Okay, let us begin where we had ended yesterday. Yesterday, if you remember, we had done challenges to political parties. I'm repeating the last 2-3 lines. After that, you may continue writing that. Challenges to political parties, this is the heading. People often criticize and express dissatisfaction on the performance or failure of political parties. This popular criticism is based on four problem areas which parties require to overcome in order to remain effective tools of democracy. Tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools of democracy. Till here we had done. Now you write the next heading, the first heading, lack of internal democracy. Lack of internal democracy. Put a dash, you may underline this. Usually, there is concentration of power there is concentration of power in one or few hands. In one or few hands, full stop. Ordinary people are ignorant. Ordinary people are ignorant of sufficient information. Of sufficient information. Full stop. Parties do not conduct. Same point. Parties do not conduct regular elections. Regular elections. Neither maintain. Neither maintain membership registers. Membership registers or conduct organizational meetings. Organizational meetings. Full stop. Next line. No point. Few leaders exercise. Few leaders exercise paramount power. P-A-R-A-M-O-U-N-T, paramount power, comma, loyalty towards the leader, comma, loyalty towards the leader is more important than loyalty to party's principles. Apostrophe S, party's principle. PLE. Full stop. Anyone who disagrees. Anyone who disagrees is asked to leave. Is asked to leave the party. Party. Full stop. Personal loyalty to leader. Personal loyalty to leader is more important than party's principle. Personal loyalty to leader is more important than party, apostrophe S again, party's principle. Full stop. Next heading, write dynastic succession. dynastic succession. In many parties, top positions are always controlled, are always controlled by members of one family, by members of one family, full stop, members of one family, full stop. Ordinary members do not rise to the top, do not rise to the top. This is unfair and undemocratic. This is unfair and undemocratic. Full stop. Next heading, money and muscle power. Or money and muscle power often used by parties, often used by parties as a shortcut, as a shortcut to win elections, to win elections, comma, parties nominate candidates, parties nominate candidates who can raise, R-A-I-S-E, raise lots of money, lots of money, full stop. Rich people tend to influence government policies, government policies, full stop. Some parties even support, some parties even support criminals, criminals who can win elections, who can win elections, who can win elections, full stop. Fourth point now. Fourth heading, meaningful choice. Meaningful choice. Very often, for a dash, underline all these headings. Very often, parties do not offer, parties do not offer much choice to voters, to voters, full stop. Various parties have different ideologies. Various parties have different ideologies, but policy implementation, but policy implementation is the same, is same, full stop. In fact, in fact, leaders keep changing, leaders keep changing from one party to another. From one party to another, full stop. Differences between parties. Differences between parties and their policies is on decline. Is on decline in our country. Similarly, there are hardly any difference. There are hardly any difference between Labour Party and Conservative Party in UK and Conservative Party. Full stop. Next heading. How can parties be reformed? How can parties be reformed? Write it down. No point. This is citizens all over the world. Put a dash. Citizens all over the world question that are political parties willing to reform? Willing to reform? The question mark. Put a question mark. Full stop. If not, no. Possible. Possible. To reform them. Possible to reform them. Again, put a question mark. Some recent efforts and suggestions to reform parties and leaders in our country are put a dash. First one, action. Put a dash. If MLAs and MPs indulge in defection or changing parties, comma, they will lose their seat in legislature. They will lose their seats in legislature. This, full stop, this is introduced by amending the Constitution. This is introduced by amending the Constitution. Full stop. Next, affidavit. Affidavit. Put a dash. By an order of Supreme Court. By an order of Supreme Court, it is mandatory. It is mandatory for every candidate who contests elections to file file an affidavit with details of his property, comma, criminal case if pending against him. Criminal case if pending against him. Full stop. Next point, the same point. However, there is no system. However, there is no system to check the authenticity, authenticity, authenticity of the information given by the candidate, of the information given by the candidate. Next, income tax return. By an order from Election Commission, it is necessary for political parties to file their income tax returns. Next, right, other suggestions. Next subheading of this only, other suggestions. First point, a law should be made. A law should be made to regulate internal affairs. To regulate internal affairs, comma, maintain a register, comma, follow its constitution, constitution means party's constitution, that is principles, and hold elections for highest post, Next point, this is 1 to 3, other suggestion is another heading, then 1 to 3. Okay, so this is the second point. It should be mandatory. For political parties to give one-third of tickets to women candidates. One-third of tickets to women candidates. Full stop. Next point, there should be state funding of elections. There should be, third point we're talking about, there should be state funding of elections. Full stop. The money required or the support should be given in kind, K-I-N-D, put a dash, petrol, paper, telephone, etc. Should be allotted on the basis of votes, on the basis of votes secured in the last election, votes secured in the last elections, full stop. These have, now write a line over there in the end, these have not yet been accepted by political parties. That is all these 3 suggestions. Next, other suggestions to reform politics. Other suggestions, the third heading of this topic only. Other suggestions to reform politics. Full stop. First point, people can put pressure. People can put pressure to reform parties by publicity, comma, education, comma, media, or filing a petition, P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N, filing a petition, full stop. Next point, citizens, instead of simply criticizing, or criticism, can play an important role, by either joining a political party or improving the policies required for better politics. Full stop. This ends your political parties chapter. Is that clear? Now tomorrow we are going to, you have to be ready with your next chapter, that is outcomes of democracy, which is also supposed to be the last chapter of the political science for your final syllabus. Okay, so write it down, maintain your copy, and meet me again tomorrow, children. Bye.